You can literally wake up with a flatter stomach just by doing one simple thing before bed. Let me explain. The gelatin trick has been a game changer for so many people, and it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. By adding a spoonful of gelatin to your nighttime drink, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more efficient digestive process overnight. As you drift off to sleep, the gelatin trick is hard at work, helping to soothe and calm your digestive system. It's like a little overnight detox, where your body gets to reset and recharge. People who have tried the gelatin trick rave about how it helps them feel more refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning, with less bloat and discomfort. My friend Sarah swears by the gelatin trick and says it's been a total lifesaver for her sensitive stomach. If you want to learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your bedtime routine, be sure to check out the link in my description below for a detailed walkthrough. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with the gelatin trick, head to the pinned comment where we can chat more about it.